Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming prerequisites, Android Studio and a compatible JDK. Open Studio, click New Project, choose Empty Activity and Kotlin, and pick API 24 or higher. Once done, sync Gradle immediately so dependencies download. Make sure the emulator image matches your API. Alternatively, enable USB debugging on your physical device and authorize the computer. This gets your workspace and build system ready, so you can write code, run builds, and iterate without delay. You move into the core workflow by structuring the app. Use Jetpack components like ViewModel and navigation for modularity. Decide Compose versus XML, preview layouts on multiple device profiles and orientations. Once layouts exist, implement ViewModel to hold UI state, connect a repository layer for data, and add retrofit for network calls plus room for local caching. Build frequently, inspect logs with Logcat, and set breakpoints. This steady cycle of code, run, and inspect keeps complexity manageable. You finish by testing and packaging. Write unit and instrumentation tests. Run them on device or Firebase Test Lab. When passing, prepare assigned APK or AAB. Create a key store, increment version code and version name, then build a release bundle. Once built, verify on target devices and check Play Console warnings. If something breaks, first clear Gradle caches and invalidate Android Studio caches, then rebuild. If the emulator misbehaves, reinstall the system image or recreate the AVD. That resolves most release issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.